guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Gerline and I create motivational, inspirational, lifestyle content for other mom bosses just like me. If you're tuning in for the first time, we are in our Canva business series. I cut straight to the point and I create a lesson that goes over how to create visually appealing content for your audience in under 5 minutes. Class has started, let's go ahead and get started. So today we're going to talk about setting content creation goals. Tip number 1, keep it simple, sis. Okay, stop stressing yourself out. You hear me? It does not have to be a stressful process of creating content to keep your followers engaged and excited about what you have to share with them. So stop stressing about it. We're going to keep it simple. Tip number 2. We're going to create a simple calendar. And the calendar that you're going to create is going to outline everything for you so that you know exactly what it is that you need to post week after week. So you can keep that content rolling and going. All right. I have created the Boss Babe Business Binder printable worksheets to help you stay organized in your business. I do have a section that have different types of social media templates that you can use to stay organized, and I will go over that later on in a few slides. Tip number 3, you're going to create a topic of the month. An example would be a personal example of mine. For the month of January, my main focus was on vision boards. I wanted to make sure that my audience knew exactly what vision boards are, why they are important, and all that good stuff. Okay? Tip number 4, break your topic down. Each week, I'm going to dive deeper into the topic of vision boards just so that my audience have a walkthrough of everything they need to know about vision boards. So for the first week, I'm going to talk about what vision boards are. For the second week, I'm going to talk about how to create a vision board. Week 3, I'm going to talk about why you need to have a vision board. And for week 4, I'm going to share with you how they can change your life. Okay, you see how easy that was? I just broke it down from week by week. If you want to talk about multiple topics within that first week, it's up to you. Whatever it is that you feel like you need to share with your audience, divide it up however you feel is easier and better for your audience. So now for week 1, I'm going to take that week and say, okay, we're going to talk about what vision boards are. I'm going to create a reel. The reel that I create is going to talk about what vision boards are. I'm going to also create an infographic, and I'm also going to create a quote post that talks about what vision boards are. Week number 2, I'm going to talk about how to create a vision board. I might create a carousel post or reel and post a product photo of a vision board. Okay? So you see how easy that is? As we're taking the time to dive deep and to break everything down, it's really not that complicated and you are less stressed. And that's a good thing, right? All right, tip number 5. We're going to make a draft schedule and we're going to get ready to create content. We're going to go ahead to the slides that show you some of the worksheets that I've created to help you better organize your content. This is the monthly calendar that I was talking about. In this monthly calendar, up here at the top, you can put in what your monthly topic or topics are going to be. And then for each week, you can write down in the different boxes what exactly you want to discuss for that specific day or that specific week. Okay, and you can add your notes here at the bottom. Here's another worksheet that you can use. You can create your topics of the month over here. You can fill it in right here. And then you can break it down by your week 1, week 2, 3, or 4, your focus. Okay, so what it is that you want to focus on for that specific week. And then you can take it further, and for each week, you have your bullets down here where you can actually write down, okay, I'm going to create a carousel, I'm going to create a reel, or I'm going to create a product photo post. You can break that down all right here. And there's another page as well with this worksheet that has your week 3 and your week 4 outline. And it also has a list of the different types of posts that you can create as well. This is another worksheet where you put your topics of the month. If there are any dates that you want to make sure that you post on, or if there are certain holidays and things like that you want to make sure that you post on those days, you can put those dates to remember right here. Any important notes will go right here. And then any goals that you set for your social media, your post engagement will be down over here. If there are a certain number of shares or saves and things like that, you'll be able to put that right here at the bottom, just so that at the end of the month, you'll be able to review and see how well you did. So this is our Boss Babe Business Binder worksheets. It's on my website. I'll leave a link down below for you so you can get it. And I will also leave a coupon code for you so that you're able to save some money off of your purchase, okay? So that is it. If you have any questions or if there's a lesson that you would like for me to create, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for tuning in for lesson 3. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when the next lesson comes up. All right? Thank you so much. Y'all have a good one and y'all be blessed.